Hello everybody, today we are talking about corporate social responsibility. So what's CSR? CSR is an ethical actions of an organization contributing back to the society which will go beyond their economic and legal commitments. More and more companies are focusing on CSR because being responsible to the society helps more than just gaining profit for the company. It helps to build brand recognition and instill a positive brand reputations in the long run because of their contribution to the society. CSR involves 3 steps for organizations to take. First, comply with the law such as meeting the emission standards set by the government. Secondly, being social responsive and responding to market demands such as reducing paper bags when shoppers make purchase. Thirdly, being social responsible to make a positive impact for society such as developing solar panels as another source of energy.
We have selected Singtel for our assignment. Singtel is a corporate that goes beyond their social obligation. They are socially responsive and responsible to the needs of the society. There are 3 types of CSR: social, economical, and environment.
Singtel focuses on 3 types of CSR. As mentioned, firstly for social, Singtel has provided sustainable initiative for the society. In order to implement CSR in the corporate, Singtel does not rely on corporate philanthropy. Instead, they focus on integrating community engagement. For example, Singtel grants their employees 1 day leave annually for them to fulfill the voluntary act in order to promote CSR by involving the employees in the philanthropy act.
Secondly, for economical, Singtel encourages ethical behaviors in being socially responsible, which helps to retain stakeholders and determines achievement. Therefore, embracing CSR may lead to reputational gain. One of the examples is Singtel will undertake a materiality review to assess the opinion of both internal and external stakeholders on the material topics that they are concerned with, which will help to set the direction of their sustainability strategy and programs.
Thirdly, for environment, they integrate environment commitment into their corporate by including their employees. For example, Singtel reduces their carbon footprint by managing energy consumption through uses of technologies, process improvement, and energy optimization, such as using solar energy as an alternative. They also participate in efficiency measures such as reducing paper use in the company. They did their part in approaching climate changes by taking various steps.
From the above examples of CSR displayed by Singtel, we learned that it is crucial to cultivate the stakeholders like the employees by integrating them into part of the system, as it helps them to understand and learn on how important it is to contribute something back to the society without any obligation despite being as an individual party. With the implementation of CSR in the corporate, consumers realize that the company takes an interest in bigger social issues. The consumer can better understand the company organizational stance as the corporate obeys the legal requirements set by the government. They respond to the society needs and improve society welfare. Therefore, the organizational objectives are aligned with the values of the people. In conclusion, unification of CSR efforts points out that a more united and constant effort by Singtel. Hence, Singtel must be proactive in CSR and competence for the purpose of measuring the success of the CSR projects carried out by Singtel.
Created using Powtoon.